Hey everybody, if you're looking for a great way to stay cool during those hot months, this desktop fan is a wonderful option. So I'm going to show you how this works. I just unboxed it after receiving it. Comes in this box right here on the side. It says ultra quiet, strong wind, and long standby, meaning that it has a good battery. In my demonstrations of this so far, it does stand the test of having strong wind of up to 2,900 RPM, and it is ultra quiet and great battery life. You can actually, after this is fully charged, you can run this for 8 hours without having to plug in your USB-C cord to charge it up again. The other part that I love about this is that this part down here is adjustable. So if you wanted to hang it from above, maybe at your desk, for example, you can use these little notches right here. Or if you want it to actually position on your desk or table, you can do that and position it in different ways. I mean, look at that angle right there. So I can move it just like this, facing upward. There's a knob right here that I just turned to the right. And right now it's on. And this is at its lowest RPM setting. Can you even hear that? It's very quiet. And now we're going to turn the knob to the highest wind output. And this is how it sounds. So you can see that even at its highest power setting, this is not going to interfere with any of the work that you're doing or phone calls or anything like that. And I can position that just like so. And if I'm at my desk and I'm on the keyboard, for example, I'm getting a nice wind upward pattern, which is keeping me cool throughout the day. Also comes with this user manual right here, which shows you how to operate this. It's pretty basic. You know, once you plug this in, there's a charging indicator in the back right here, which will give off a red or green light. Red meaning that it's charging, and green meaning that it is good to go. It takes about 3 hours to fully charge, and as I mentioned, you can have this run at the highest setting for 8 hours of continuous use, or you can actually plug this in and just use it all the time without having to worry about charging it up. Great product. Hope this review was helpful. Thanks for watching.